Hey guys, I'm Vic. In this video, I'm going to teach you Ansible. If you're new to Ansible, this video will help you. Today is day 26. Okay, what is Ansible? Ansible is an open source automation tool used for IT tasks such as the configuration management and application deployment and the intra-service architecture and provisioning. It is known for its simplicity and the easy of use, make it popular among such system administrators and DevOps engineers. So if you're not understand what is Ansible mean, I'll give you little I'll give you example. That is, in our company we have 500 machines, we have 500 computers. We need to install Apache 2 or any software on those computers. So what we'll do, just install that software on each machine, so it will take more time, right? So if you have an Ansible, we can connect like a control node and manage node. I'll give you another example. I'll open this. So this is my Ansible repository. You can get this repository link on this video description. Okay, explain Ansible. Okay, so we have one control node and 500 manage node. So this is one computer. This is a 500 computer. So we are using Ansible. Now you can ask me a question like, okay, Ansible is a software, so we need to install the software on 500 computers? No, Ansible is a agentless, so we need to install Ansible on only one computer. That is control computer, control node, we can say. Okay, now, and also this Ansible, if you are using Ansible, Python is necessary, and also we need to install Python on 500 computers. Python, now we have Python 3, right? Python 3. Okay, I hope you guys understand this concept. So you can ask like, okay, this 500 computer, I need to install Apache 2. Apache 2. If I install Apache 2 on this 500 computers, it will take more than 500 minutes. Okay. And what about Ansible? So Ansible will take only 1 minute. So this is the beauty of Ansible. I hope you guys understand this concept. Okay, let's move to another topic. That is, we going to install Ansible and we going to work out this topic. How to do? If you are using AWS or Azure or Google Cloud, what you need to do is you create a machine. So I'm using EC2, so which is elastic cloud compute. It's kind of computer, cloud computer. So first I'm going to create control node Ansible. Okay, and I'm going to use Ubuntu. Another thing you need to understand, that is, this control node OS always be Linux machine, but this manage node anything. Okay, so I'm going to use Ubuntu. I got the error. This is not valid. Let me refresh this. Control node. I'm facing internet issue, that's why. Got this. Where is Ubuntu? Ubuntu free trial. So I'm going to use this. Okay, now we need to choose a key pair. I created this key pair, and also I created this security group. And yeah, that's all. Let's launch this. So we are completed this first task. We are created this control node. Now manage node. Again, I'm going to launch a new instance called manage node, and I'm going to use Ubuntu again, and I use this T2 micro. It's cost efficient, and I'm using key pair, the same key pair which I used in control node. Select a security group, ansible, and let's check this. Yeah, everything is fine. Go ahead, launch. Oh my gosh, what is this? I need to choose VPC, so I'm going to choose default VPC. I enable this IP. Let's launch this. Oh, so internet issue, that's why. Taking more time, right? So let's, oh my gosh. So my internet is very poor. I'm back. There is a network issue, that's why. Okay. Manage node. I go with the Ubuntu, and I'm gonna choose this Ansible key. I'm gonna choose Ansible security. Okay, launch this instance. In this example, as we see, there is one control node, there is a 500 managed node. So here I created only one control node, one managed node, because if I created 500 managed node, I need to pay more than $1,000. So that's why. Okay, so it is running. So let's connect this via SSH. So this is a control node, which is a this first one. So this first one we need to install Python 3 and Ansible. Let's paste this SSH and sudo. So this key I got in this folder. So connect this. Yeah, it is successfully connected. Let's close everything. Okay, so this is a CHO control node. See, this is a control node. This echo is nothing but print. Okay, now we need to connect manage node. So where is a manage node? It's a manage node. Control home sudo and this path, download path. Yes. Okay, now we have a control node, we have a manage node. Manage node. Okay, manage node. Now we need to verify Python. So I'm using Python 3 version command. So I got this Python 3.12.3 Python 3 version. Okay, now we need to install Ansible on control node. So how to install? So this is the way to install. If you want this link, go and get this link on this video description. So first I install software property command. So it is already installed. Okay, and the second, so before I execute this command, I need to verify this path etc apt ls and cat source list, not this one, source list dot t cat Ubuntu source list. Okay, let's run this code. So first I used this command, then I used this one. This is going to be third one. Now cat okay, let's install ansible -core. Successfully I have installed. Now I need to connect my control node. So first I need to verify Ansible has successfully installed or not. So I'm using Ansible version command. So I'm successfully installed Ansible on my control node. Now I need to connect my control node to manage node, so that if I execute any command from my control node, it will replicate in manage node. For example, here I need to install apt install sudo apt install Apache 2. So now I want to install this Apache 2 on my manage node, not control node. So in Ansible, there is a concept host and inventory. So what it means? I'm not going to explain this in this video. I will explain inventory file topic next video. Okay. So we are putting some code on this manage node, control node. It will reflect to manage node how it is happened. So if you want to connect this machine, you need SSH, right? The same thing, the same way we're going to do. So I'm going to configure public SSH key to this manage node. So I'm going to configure control node SSH file to manage node. So if you are definitely you guys will get more doubt. So if you are learn something new, first thing you need to read documentation. So this topic is Ansible. So now you are watching this video will help you, but in this video I'm explaining very little bit. So if you want to learn more, first thing you need to go through the documentation of Ansible, so that you will get more idea. So okay, simply I'll explain this concept so that you guys will understand. Now one computer, another computer, it's going to be computer, but this is control node, this is manage node. So you are executing some command here, so that command need to reflect. But if you want to connect this machine to this machine, you need password or SSH key. Okay, how to do? So while I create this EC2, I'm using SSH key, that is a PIN key, it's a private key, Ansible key, right? I'll click this, so you guys will understand what I'm talking about. So while I create this machine, I used Ansible key, so that is a private key. Okay, so I'm using one private key for two machines. So what is the public key for these two? Same, right? So verify. Where can I verify? In SSH path. Okay, you see this is the authorized key, which means this is a public key. So this is the public key. The same key we can see in manage node also. CD cat authorized key. See, these two keys are same because I'm using PIM key. Well, while I creating EC2, I used one PIM key for two servers, two machines. So that's why this public key is same. Okay, now we are installed Ansible. So we need to connect this control node to manage node. Now I'm going to create a new public key for Ansible. So what's the command? SSH hyphen keygen. Enter, 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 enter. Okay. You see, this is a public key, this is a private key. Cat public key. Okay. I copy this public key. I'm going to paste this public key in authorized key. This concept is very big, so that's why I'm not explaining this SSH key, public key, and private key concept. So I'll give you a simple example so you guys will understand. This is a first server. This is a second server. Okay, now I need to connect this first server to second server. So first server is going to be a control server, right? So it has public key, and I am sending this public key to second server. So here I put this public key. So I put this public key on authorized key. Okay, so if I put this public key on authorized key, we don't need certificate to connect one server to another server. So we don't need password, because this server we are saying in second server we are saying, so I put this public key, this guy is a authorized guy, so you don't need to ask password to him. Okay, I hope you guys understand. Now LL, this public key has read and write and read and read. Okay, so we're going to change this ch mode 600 and LL. You see, now the permission has changed. We are removed RR for others, other users. Okay. Now what to do? Everything is fine. Now there is a inventory concept. So what it means, when we install Ansible, it will create a two file. One file is host. What it means? Ansible. You see, there is a host, there is a Ansible config file. So this rule directory I will explain next video, and also these inventory files I will explain next video. CD cat host. Here we need to mention our manage node IP address. Okay, so for that I'm using nano editor. So here I created servers. Under the servers I put my manage node public IP. And also we can put private IP if our server on same network. Control X Y. Okay, everything is fine. Let's check this Ansible is working or not. So I'm using this Ansible command. So this is the ping command. I'm just testing. Okay, it's going to be servers. Let's run this. So it's not working. Why it is not working? I think my command is wrong, that's why. Okay, I'm going to run this command again. So why it is not working? uname hyphen a. Okay, it is working. You see this? So this command, what we are trying to do is, so this is a host. Where is a host? This is a host file. It has my manage node IP. So I'm telling to Ansible, hey Ansible, I want to know my this manage node software version. Okay, software metadata or OS metadata. I'm going to run date. You see, and let's try this command. Oh, this command is not working. Destination address, ping users, attention. I'll check this one. So I'll check with I'll explain this concept next video. So while facing this error, I don't know why it comes. So I need to debug this. But I hope you guys understand the concepts of Ansible. This video already takes 30 minutes. We'll see next video. And thank you for watching this video. Ta-da, bye-bye.